Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a group chat on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see inbox icon at bottom. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to your inbox page, where you can see the plus icon at top left corner. Just tap on it and now you need to select two or more than two members. And once you select one member, you'll be able to see the chat option, and once you select more than one member, you'll be able to see the start a group chat button instead of chat, and you'll be able to create a group chat on TikTok successfully. So basically this is how you can make a group chat on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.